What up, guys? Today sorry, it's Braden Eyepiece, and today I am making a video. But my friend, I got fired, and so I'm gonna lose him.
They need you because they don't know how to do it. They need you.
No, they don't. Anyways, today I'm gonna we found a cat named Batman, and so today I'm gonna be finding it. So I already know where it is, but today I'm gonna be trying to find its home. Good deed. It's right there. Batman. Come on, Batman. Batman. Gonna zoom in on you. We tried laying out with some chicken tenders. Didn't take the bite. And it's laying right under the wheel, and I don't want to leave it at all. Plate. I'm sorry I showed your plate. Hang on, guys. I'm going to get my friend, and I'll be back with you. Alright, well, anyways, they don't want none of it. Leave me alone! That I'm fired, okay? Alright, I get the point. Alright, kitty. Batman. That's Josiah, which we had a planned new show, Cat Hunters. We just try to find a home for cats. So that seems like it's staying here. I don't want to leave it. Guys, please help me with this. One of you, if you live where I'm at, call the pound. Come, please. I'm sad. No. But I don't want to leave it because the head's right by the wheel and they really can't see it. He's dead. Oh, he heard me. Come on, Batman! And here comes more people. Batman, come on! I don't even know if his name is Batman, but one of my friends told me. Batman. Batman! Come here, Batman! Batman! Where is he? There's another cat over there. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to leave this cat to go to another cat. I'm trying to pick it up off camera. Before I even started this video, didn't work. Couldn't do it. But guys, put in the comments below right now. What do you think I should do? Well, I don't want to leave it here. That's for sure. I don't want to leave it here. I'm not zoomed in. Butterfly. Ready to help now?
What?
Ready to help?
What you're doing?
The video?
Good.
Did you just point in your middle finger?
So that's our cat. He went
It's not ours, but
But where's that?
the cat was just here a minute ago. Oh, okay.
Where's that?
It's on the other side. It's on that side.
I don't see it.
Josiah, go. It's on that side.
No, I don't see it.
Do you see it now? Do you just want to leave it?
Well, I can't get the cat. But that's me. A cat? So we have to find him then.
No, there's another. We could keep on rolling. We still have 5 minutes left.
What?
Video. We just go over there because I saw a cat roaming over there.
What color was it?
It's fully yellow, I think. Yellowish, orangish. That robin.
That's Sam's cat.
All right, you want to go get it?
Yeah.
And I think I saw Zach and Sam up there.
Where?
Up that street.
So.
Oh, we gotta get this one first. Gotta get the games. I win it all. I'm not timid. You should have learned how to play burner.
Where is that? Where?
Down my street. Down here. The last place I saw it was right there. It was at that sewer.
Where is that?
Well, the last time I saw him, he was here and he was crossing the street.
Yeah.
You just want to end the video? You want to end the video? Right, guys. Well, we couldn't find any cats. Tune in next time, which is tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.